What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Got one delivery for these people. Ah, Lord. She's like, I don't have time to let him turn. I'm just gonna cut him off. I've never been here, but this is a fairly easy spot to deliver to. Now let's just see, get this part off the truck and get a signature. I hate whoever drives this truck at nighttime. Just moves everything around. And look at this mess they leave. Golly, man, look at this. Oh, I used to like it when I didn't have to share a truck. It was so much easier. So much easier. You just move everything around. Who is it, bro? Who drives this truck at nighttime? Stop moving the stuff around. I looked at it, it's not that heavy. Let's see. I'll just go get somebody to help me. Hey man, how you doing? You got a tractor part? This one right here. It's not heavy, but if you want to get one in, I'll get the other side.
Alright, that sounds good.
If you don't mind signing that copy. Oh, you got one? Yep. We're here, Sam's Club, baby. Got one pallet of books for y'all. And nobody's in front of me. Gotta love it. You don't get these kind of stops very often. And I got a lift gate. I love freaking lift gates. I got lift gates, guys. I haven't had a lift gate in over 2 days. And over a week. Since I've been out. So this is a big moment. I'm so crooked. How did I get this back? Good thing is I got a lift gate. I don't know if that's gonna be good enough. Alright, done with that one. Now I have to route myself to a pickup to Sam's Club. I don't know why I can't just put it in with the delivery. Jan 25. Route to a Sam's Club pickup. Man. And then just type that in because they had some tires for me to pick up. But that was fairly easy. It's something to do with gutters. And I didn't call him today because, like I said last time, I normally just deliver it because he just can't be here. But the only time I do call him is if something looks damaged, but nothing looks bad today.
Hello. Yeah. Okay, let me see here. We got 4 skids. 787. All right. Oh my God! What did they do to this door?
Oh yeah, just my luck. I got a tire blowout. Let's see, which way do I go? Oh. Dang it, bro. It's gonna take forever to get out here. Let's go out here and check it out. Since we have plenty of time. Fudge. Break down. Break. On the screen. Breakdown. Sure. Ah. There she is. This isn't part of mine. Anything else? I don't see no sign. Brake rotors and drum good. Golly, man. Oh, guys, I've gotten comfortable. An hour and 20 minutes. I've moved over here to the passenger side. Just laying, waiting for Court to come save me. Roadside assistance. Where are you at? Oh, man. Whatever time this is, I'm still waiting. 2 hours later, guys. 2 hours later. 3 hours later. Roadside assistance to the rescue. Look at that. You good? Yeah. Alright, man. Appreciate you coming out here rescuing me again. 3 hours and 12 minutes later, here we finally go. Alright, back on duty. I don't even know if I want to do that one now. Alright, look at this entrance. I love this entrance. I say it every time I come in here. Look at this. They mow the grass because it wasn't like that yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. Just beautiful. And then you get to the open parking lot. Continental does really good with.
Alright. You gotta get these 22 skids off me. Don't want to drive back to the terminal with this. Nick. Depending on who it is, they sometimes leave early. Alright. I wonder if them tires are all over the place, man. I totally forgot all about them freaking.
818. Alright, Pit Ohio, move out the way. Big dog coming through, Pit Ohio. Just kidding. Freaking security, man. Sometimes it takes forever to open the gate. Thank you, big fella. He's a good guy. I see him all the time at my other stops.
1 second later for y'all, here we are. Psych, it wasn't that far. Kubota. Look at this gate, guys. Look at this gate. You gotta swing it all the way out here. And swing it right back around. Only a good driver would be able to get in here. Just kidding. I'm far from a good driver. I'm a professional driver. Professional driver. I would be able to get in here. Just kidding. I'm far from a good driver. I'm a professional driver. Professional driver. Here, let's see if that's going to be enough. Oh, yeah. Look at this. What's his name? Scott. Right here, guys. Next one's only about 2 minutes away, but I don't think they're going to take the delivery because it's late. They're a little particular about when to take delivery. And that's fine by me. If they don't want to take the delivery, we'll just get it redelivered. I don't see anybody coming. We just dropped the lift gate.
Well, receiving hours are from 7 to 1. Any delivery after 1 will not be accepted. Well, that's fine by me. I got delivery at the back door.
All right, let them know.
Thank you. Let's see what they say. Oh, wow, let's see. Huh. I don't see a name on it. Yeah, it's that one right here.
What is this?
I guess.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So sorry.
Yeah, I'm used to. Yeah, just the one.
Do I just sign the one? Or?
Yes, sir. And I'll give you a copy of this.
All right.
And I just gotta move one pallet. Unless you gotta close the gate. Do you have to close the gate?
I don't have to close the gate.
Sounds good. I'll just move this one pallet so the tires don't fall over, and I'll be on my way. Guys, I'm so late. It's about to be 6:20, and I'm just getting to the stop. Normally I come here around 3:30 to 4. Here I am at 6:20, and I'm just getting here. Hopefully I don't have a lot of bills to type in. And y'all, I'm going right beside this trailer. Everybody's gone. It's like ghost town right now. It's just because I'm here so late. But let's see how many times. Let's see if I can get this in my first backup. Guys, I might have just did it. Oh my god. No pull-ups? Are we serious? Are we serious right now? Yes, we did it. Every once in a while you get these kind of... But nonetheless, you like, share, subscribe the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay, you can go now. Bye. See ya. If you watched this far, you're getting $1 million. If you watched this far, you were getting $1 million. Not from me, but from somebody else. I hope. If you have $1 million, you're going to get $1 billion. And if you have $1 billion, well, then you just got it all. You don't need no more.